What's up, everybody? Just want to give you a perspective of being a lawn care nut in Maryland. This is March, and a few days ago, we had 70-degree temperatures. I took the opportunity to get out in the yard, do some cleaning, and put down the first treatment of the year. As you can see, the lawn is pretty dormant, but it's very tight, so not a lot of weeds. Thankfully got in there over the winter time. So I just thought I would get out there, throw down some treatment early, and then wake up this morning and it's snowing. So it's pretty good. In a few days, it's going to be 70 degrees again. Get that extra nitrogen down on the ground. But this is what it's like to be a lawn care nut in Maryland.